Do you know why it's important to have an attorney on your side if you're injured in a collision with a big rig? We asked Texas attorney Alan Robertson in this AskTheLawyers.com quick question.
It's important to have an attorney representing you in a case against an 18-wheeler driver or company so that an attorney can level the playing field between you and a major corporation. They are represented by some of the world's largest insurance companies. And so until you get a law firm with the resources to take on such an insurance company, you're fighting an uphill battle. Our firm levels the playing field.